Are you interested in starting a maid services business in South Africa? South Africa is a great market for maid services due to its growing economy and busy population. Before starting your business, it's important to do market research to understand the demand for maid services in your area. Consider the competition and assess whether there is room for your business in the market. Create a detailed business plan that outlines your target market, pricing, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Register your business and obtain all the necessary licenses and permits required to operate legally. Recruit reliable and trustworthy staff who have experience in cleaning and household chores. Train your staff to provide high-quality cleaning services to meet the expectations of your customers. Invest in cleaning equipment and supplies to ensure that your staff has the necessary tools to perform their tasks effectively. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your maid services business through online platforms, social media, and local advertising. Build a strong online presence by creating a professional website and leveraging social media platforms to reach potential customers. Offer competitive pricing and different cleaning packages to cater to different customer needs and budgets. Deliver exceptional customer service and prioritize customer satisfaction to build a loyal customer base. Regularly monitor your business performance and track key metrics to identify areas for improvement and growth. Network with other local businesses and join industry associations to stay updated on the latest trends and opportunities in the maid services industry. Consider offering additional services such as laundry, ironing, or pet grooming to expand your business offerings and attract more customers. Implement efficient scheduling and communication systems to ensure proper coordination between your staff and clients. Provide training and ongoing support to your staff to continuously improve their skills and maintain a high standard of cleaning services. Establish strong partnerships with suppliers to ensure a reliable and cost-effective supply of cleaning materials and equipment. Stay up to date with industry regulations and comply with all labor laws to avoid any legal complications. Regularly assess your pricing strategy to ensure it remains competitive and profitable in the market. Maintain open and transparent communication with your customers to address any concerns or feedback promptly. Invest in digital marketing to reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your website or social media platforms. Continuously innovate and adapt your services to meet the changing demands and preferences of your customers. Provide incentives and rewards to your staff for their hard work and dedication to encourage productivity and motivation. Monitor customer satisfaction through feedback forms or surveys to identify areas where you can improve your services. Expand your business gradually by targeting new markets or offering specialized cleaning services for specific industries. Stay focused and dedicated to your business, as building a successful maid services business takes time and effort. Take advantage of technology to streamline your business operations and enhance the overall customer experience. Stay informed about new cleaning techniques and products to stay ahead of the competition and provide top-notch services. Invest in branding and professional marketing materials to create a strong brand image and attract potential customers. And most importantly, always prioritize professionalism, reliability, and quality in all aspects of your maid services business.